Brianna. This is Tina with Mercedes-Benz here in Scarborough. I want to thank you so much for reaching out to me today. And I wanted to pull up this beautiful 2018 GLC 300 in white. Let's come on in and take a look at that front end. And we're going to go over some of the features on this. You're going to see your LED headlamps. This vehicle is coming with a multimedia package, a parking assist package. It's got blind spot assist, keyless entry, Pano roof, heated seats, beautiful beige interior here. Let's open up that door and let you get a shot of the inside. Black carpets, heated seats, heated steering wheel, keyless go. Let's pop the boot. Tons of cargo space in these. And all three rear seats will fold down. So when you've got the kids and some gear, you can load up, no problem. I really want to thank you for your time. And when you have a moment, give me a shout out. Let's set up a day and time for you to come test drive this. And from all of us here at Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, thank you so much and have an awesome day.